Okay, hi everybody. I think I'm just going to bombard YouTube at the moment with catch-up videos and so forth. So, the Shabby Chic flowers. Thank you everybody for your comments on Facebook and Instagram. These are so relaxing. I'm, not highly in the mood for creating a lot of journals at the moment, but I'm finding just working with these little projects much easier to do and more relaxing. So I've been playing around with fabric, lace, old curtains, doilies, bit of tulle, trim, you name it, I've put it in here. So and also with everybody's comments in regards to a tutorial on how to do these, I'm not an overly confident person, and so even though I might appear it at times, I really am not at the moment anyway, and I don't think my anxiety levels would be able to cope with doing a tutorial at the moment. I will give it a go and see how we go with it, but in all honesty, there are so many tutorials for these already on YouTube, and I really don't see the point in making another tutorial when there is so many out there already. So just type in Shabby Chic fabric flower tutorials into your search engine in YouTube and all of the tutorials will come up. I don't know which ones I looked at. I did watch a couple and got the gist of how to do it and just went on from there. As to, say, finishing touches like this one here, I've actually got this idea from Chrissy Crosser, I think is how you say it, from the Attic. So have a look. I will attach her YouTube link. And also Andrea from Artie Mays has just put out a tutorial on these flowers as well. And I don't think the method she's used is any different. So I'll also attach her YouTube tutorial as well. Okay, so that's that for now. So I don't want to disappoint the fans out there, if there are any. But that's where it is at the moment. If I do create a tutorial of my own, I will put it up for you all. But I haven't really done anything different than everybody else does, and I just don't see the point in making a tutorial that's already out there. Anyway, with that said, let's have a look. So this one is obviously different to the others, just in the respect of the colors. I was just playing around with a different color theme to see how it went. So it's green silk. There's 2 layers of that. I've got an old curtain, net curtain in there, a bit of tulle, and it just keeps going and going and going. And then inside I have a flower applique, and then I put the diamante, and all the beads were already part of the applique. And I've used my hot glue gun. You obviously can use fabric glue. There's no need to use hot glue if you don't have it. And then under here, what I did is on the back, I attached all the trims straight to the back. I normally do put them up into the insides of the flowers. I don't know why I did it this way. This time I just did it. So it's got some black lace, a bit of silver beading, eyelash trim. So someone did ask me what it was. This is eyelash trim. It's just yarn. You can get it from any place you would buy your knitting yarn from. We have some sari silk, some more lace. Now pretty much all my laces in here come from Julie Duncan, who is Bears and Old Lace. So yeah, they're all just different types of trims throughout. So that's that one. I do plan to put some of these up into the Etsy shop to sell. I'm not sure which ones yet. Some of them will be going in to some happy mail for a couple of friends, and some of these are part of the giveaway that I've got running at the moment. These will be included in the second prize drawing. So there's this one here, and again it's just the layering, and then you singe the edges. You can either use a lighter if you like burning the crap out of your thumb. I learnt that one pretty quickly, and so I turned to just using your normal standard tea light, and you can use any candle really, just don't hold it too close to the flame and you won't end up in smoke. And then it's just this here, this fibre is from A Tattered Dream, and so are the little pearl beads. Alright, my sari silk I buy here in Australia, and Janice, I will put the link to her shop in the description box as well. So that's that one. Then we have this one here, some more of the yarn from A Tattered Dream. Hope you can see that, it's so pretty and soft. This is trim from A Tattered Dream as well. I will put all these Tattered Dream ones, I'll put all the separate links from her Etsy shop. This is also from A Tattered Dream. These are just some fake pearl bead trim that I've got here at home, and that's just what I've dangled off of that one, and again just used, I've got yucky hot glue threads. Let me just pull that off, that's gross. Yeah, so on the back I've backed it with a couple of doilies, and then again you've just got your fabrics and your tulle and whatever you want to put on it. I've got some fibres in here that give you that nice look around the edge. That's just a rosette in the middle, and then I've just put some bling in the middle there as well. So this one will probably, I don't know what I'm going to put in the giveaway and what's going in the Etsy shop as yet, but you'll see them pop up. This one's a bit more of a rustic shabby chic. It's just same. I did the backing the same as the darker one. So more trims from A Tattered Dream. I'll pull them all out so you can see them. So this little one here is from A Tattered Dream. Again, the gold one there, the pearls, and this trim here is from A Tattered Dream, as well as the leaf trim there. And then all the laces and the rickrack are from Bears and Old Lace. So that's all that. And then the bling I've put in the middle. The rosette trim here, I actually pulled the little pearl bead out of the center and I put that in there. This one here, again, it's got the doily on the back and just all the layers. Now this fibre pieces here, I actually got from Wendy from Everything Fanara. When I bought a journal from her, she sent in some bits and pieces as well when I purchased a journal, and this gorgeous fibre, it's knitting yarn, was in there, and I love it. It's got the gold twisted through the yarn, it's just beautiful. This here is also from A Tattered Dream, and pretty much, oh, here it is here, if you can see the yarn, it's like the gold gets twisted around into it. It's soft and beautiful. I just love it. Thought I'd use some, but I am running out of it, and we don't have it here in Australia, and I don't think you guys get it in America anymore either. But yep, so that's that one. and again it's got the little diamante in the middle there. And this is a smaller one with the pearls in the center and just a little few dangles there. And this is another rustic one where it's just a bit darker in the colours. That's just a huge pearl that I popped in the middle, and again with all of the layers of trims and fabric down there. So a mixture of a tattered dream and bears and old lace. And then the last one, this is a really big one. I was just playing around with this. I'm not too sure if I'm happy with the center yet, so I actually might pull that out and put something bigger in there. But it's got the doily on the back and all the fibre around it. Just something different. I popped a charm bead, dangle bead that I made. It's just on a bowl pin, so you can take it off. And it's just got all the trims and the laces. And I left the sari, now I've forgotten the word, seam binding. I left the seam binding hanging low to incorporate into the laces and the trims into this one. So yeah, I haven't finished this. I think that's not enough in here. I think I might do sort of maybe put the diamante in there, or I might put what have I got in here? Or I suppose I can put, what have we got? Put a bigger pearl in the middle. Or I've got something like, yeah, no, yuck, that didn't work, did it? That was a bit hideous. Oh, it's a bit strong. Oh, I don't mind that. So it'll be one of these three will go in the center. So 1, 2, 3. If you want to give your opinions in the comments, and we'll see. But that's how it'll be finished off, I think, with one of those in it. So just let me know which one you prefer. Alright, well, that's that video done for this. I'll be back with another video. I think I've got a design team project for a Tattered Dream to show everyone. So that's what I'll do next. Okay, so that's it for now. I will talk to you all later. Bye.